So what does this mean for your business? So what this means is outside of all the technicalities that we're talking about, which is great to have someone to manage that, is going to mean lower bounce rate, higher conversion rates, and which means just more people staying on your site and conversion rates. They're filling out that lead form, they're transacting. Way stronger security. Hackers are so incredibly sophisticated now, especially using AI tools. You want to limit them as much as possible, and they're focusing on the sites that aren't updated and easier to enter. You're going to have better search engine optimization. We could talk about this for an hour. We could talk about the impact of AI in search, but you're going to get cited better on Google, earn their trust, earn AI's trust. Better site speed, user experience, and then also longer website lifespan. We don't have too much to talk about this right now, but it could extend your website by a couple of years, which saves a big chunk of development costs because you're maintaining it. It's like that car analogy of instead of buying a car and then 3 years doing nothing to it and you need a brand new one, buy that same car and maintain and make updates. It's going to last you 10 years and still look like a brand new car because you take care of it. And then moving on for the sake of time, this is a fun little slide. So what's the impact? So this is obviously all hypothetical, but this is how we think. And this is how I would encourage every client to think here of. So website maintenance, regardless of limiting your risk on security threats, which could be a whole thing of itself, in addition to eliminating your risk on accessibility, which there are a ton of lawsuits out there of bottom feeders trying to just get money from businesses. Let's just take a look at the impact of boosting a conversion rate. And a conversion rate is anytime someone goes to a website, does action, fills out a lead form or purchase. And doing a lot of website maintenance will improve the conversion rate because it's going to be load a lot faster. The site's going to work better. And then also someone's making updates to your site. So it's actually up leveling month over month and quarter over quarter to be on par and even better than your competitors. So hypothetical example, this is an e-commerce shop. Let's say it brings in 1,000 site visitors per month. Has a low conversion rate of 1.5%. That means 1.5% of people transact with the website. You really should have at least a 2.5% conversion rate. Better e-commerce sites are even superior to that. So what that means is 1,000 visitors times 1.5% conversion rate is 15 conversions per month. Let's assume average value per customer is $100. That means your monthly revenue is $1,500, annualized at $18,000. Now let's say nothing changed on this equation. You didn't drive more traffic. The only thing that changed is your website's better now. So your conversion rate is converting 2.5% of customers versus 1.5. That means instead of 15 customers per month, you're going to get 25 customers per month. And then once you multiply that out, your monthly revenue is $2,500 versus $1,500, and then annualized revenue of $30,000 versus $18,000. These are real numbers that can truly work. I mean, we see this all the time. And then let's say it's lead generation. Let's say you have a service-based company. You're an attorney. You're in the home service industry. And the value per client's higher. So let's say it's $2,000 per client. Doing the same math of, let's say you get 1,000 people to your website. Your conversion rate's 1.5. You get 15 leads per month. But we all know not every lead converts. Let's say you close at 33% of leads. So that means you get 5 new clients per month on a low converting site. That means average revenue per client or customer is $2,000. Your monthly revenue is $10K. Your annualized revenue is $120K. Let's say you just do the same equation, but with a higher conversion rate, 2.5%. Well, now you're getting 25 leads per month at the same level of traffic. Close rate stays the same, 33%. But instead of 5 new clients, you're going to get 8 new clients. Ultimately, you're going to get $6,000 more in revenue per month or $72,000 annual. And if anyone wants to take a look at your back-end metrics of what's your conversion rate, what should it be, happy to do this, but this is real information here. And a lot of times we also run ads for our clients where we're creating out landing pages for our clients to really boost those landing pages because they can have a serious financial impact.